Have you ever looked in the mirror and realized your body isn't what it used to be? Arms that used to be firm now feel loose. Your shoulders and back are weaker, and your footing isn't as steady as it once was. Many people write that off as just a normal part of getting older, but the truth isn't so simple. Our bodies don't weaken by accident. Muscles quietly disappear. After 40, you lose about 1% of muscle mass each year, and by 60, that rate can double. That doesn't just make you look older faster, it reduces mobility, memory, and even immune function. So the secret to aging well isn't flashy drugs or expensive injections. It's how you care for your body every day. On that journey, there are two quiet but hugely important allies: collagen and creatine. One helps keep your skin supple and your joints flexible. The other helps boost energy, preserve muscle mass, and maintain strength. When used together correctly, they form a powerful duo to help you stay strong through middle age. Yet many people don't realize that stress, poor sleep, and a bad diet are the silent saboteurs of all those efforts. When you're stressed, cortisol rises and the body starts breaking down muscle for energy. When you don't sleep enough, growth hormone drops and muscles can't recover. And if your gut isn't working well, no matter how many nutritious foods you eat, your body can't absorb what it needs to rebuild muscle and regenerate cells. The truth is, to stay youthful and healthy, you don't need to live like a monk or follow extreme diets. You just need to learn how to balance nutrition, movement, sleep, and mindset. Small things that create a solid foundation for middle age. In today's video, we'll explore how to reactivate lost muscle, even if you're over 50. Why collagen and creatine are the secret weapons that help you look and feel younger and stronger. And most importantly, how to reduce stress, sleep better, and recover naturally, without drugs or stimulants. Walk through these steps with me and you'll see, age is just a number. Real health and strength come from how you live each day. The secret to regaining strength in midlife. In the previous part, we talked about why the body weakens with age. But here's a truth few people know. Your body can recover, rebuild muscle, and regain strength, even after 60. The real issue isn't age. It's how you treat your body every single day. Many people think eating well is enough, but they often forget one crucial thing. Not everything you eat gets absorbed. And if your body isn't absorbing nutrients properly, even powerful compounds like collagen or creatine become useless. Collagen, the lifeline of youth. When we're young, collagen is abundant. It keeps our skin firm, joints flexible, hair strong, and muscles toned. But after 30, collagen levels naturally start to drop. By age 50, your body has only about half the collagen it did in your 20s. That's why skin begins to sag, joints start cracking, and your body feels weaker. Here's the good news. Taking collagen the right way doesn't just improve your skin, it can actually help rebuild muscle. Collagen provides glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, 3 amino acids essential for repairing muscle and connective tissue after exercise. Studies show that older adults who supplement collagen daily and do light resistance training, like bands or small weights, can increase muscle mass and reduce fat in just a few weeks. Creatine, the forgotten source of energy. Remember that tired, sluggish feeling when climbing stairs or working too long? A big reason could be low levels of creatine, a natural compound that helps your muscle cells produce quick energy. Creatine isn't just for athletes. For older adults, it's the key to restoring strength. By taking just 3 to 5 grams of creatine a day, your body gains extra fuel to move, lift, and recover better. When paired with a protein-rich diet, eggs, fish, lean meats, beans, and nuts, creatine works even more effectively, building real muscle instead of water weight, as many mistakenly believe. The result? You feel stronger, move faster, and even look younger, thanks to naturally firm, healthy muscle tone. Your body can't stay strong if you don't move. One of the biggest myths is, I'm older now, I should avoid exercise to stay safe. It sounds logical, but it's completely wrong. The less you move, the faster your muscles shrink. You don't need a gym or heavy weights. Just 30 minutes of walking a day or simple at-home exercises can activate your major muscle groups. Even small habits, gardening, taking the stairs, or stretching for 5 minutes in the morning boost blood flow and muscle nourishment. In fact, people who keep up light daily activity after 50 can maintain up to 80% of the muscle strength of younger adults. Found the power of combination. Here's what's fascinating. When collagen and creatine are used together, they don't just add up, they multiply their benefits. Collagen rebuilds tissues and joints, while creatine supplies the energy to move and perform. Together, they make your body stronger on the inside and younger on the outside, as if you're turning back the clock. Some experts even call them the golden duo of midlife health because they enhance muscle growth, skin elasticity, hair, and joint strength all at once. Don't forget the foundation. Protein. If collagen and creatine are your secret weapons, protein is the foundation that makes them work. Your body can't absorb or use them effectively without enough protein, so make sure every meal includes quality protein sources: eggs, salmon, lean meats, lentils, or Greek yogurt. Add enough water and consistent movement, and your body will gradually rebuild the strength it's lost. Have you ever noticed some people in their 60s still run, hike, and look fitter than folks half their age? They don't have superpowers. They just understand what their bodies need. And here's the best part. You can do the same. In the next section, we'll uncover a deeper secret: why stress, poor sleep, and gut health can destroy all your efforts to stay strong and youthful. That's why some people work out, but stay weak, or eat well, but still feel tired. The answer lies in the hidden network between your brain, gut, and hormones. The system that determines whether you age faster or stay vibrant for decades to come. When the mind is tired, the body weakens too. Have you ever noticed that just a few sleepless nights or days of constant stress can make you feel exhausted, your skin dull, and your muscles soft? That's no coincidence. Everything in your body is connected. The brain, hormones, and muscles form a hidden network that works in harmony. Your body is like a beautiful symphony. When every note is in tune, you feel strong and full of life. But when one note goes off, stress, poor sleep, or digestive issues, the entire rhythm falls apart. Stress, the silent muscle, thief. In today's world, stress is everywhere. Work pressure, family responsibilities, financial worries, all of it pushes up cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. When cortisol stays high, your body thinks it's in danger and starts breaking down muscle tissue to create quick energy. The result, even if you train regularly and eat well, your muscles shrink and your skin wrinkles faster. Worse yet, cortisol blocks the absorption of collagen and protein, the very nutrients you've worked so hard to take in. That's why, if you don't manage stress, even the best collagen or creatine won't deliver their full benefits. Ironically, the more stressed we feel, the less we want to move, even though exercise is one of the most effective ways to relieve stress. And so the cycle continues. The more stress, the weaker you get. The weaker you get, the more stressed you feel. Sleep, the golden time for repair. If the daytime is when you fight through life, nighttime is when your body heals. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, the key to rebuilding muscle, regenerating cells and rejuvenating skin. But just a few nights of poor sleep can drastically lower that hormone, making it harder for your body to recover. Remember, you can't stay youthful without quality sleep. A good night's rest is nature's most powerful anti-aging supplement, allowing creatine and collagen to work their magic. You don't need fancy routines, just 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Turn off your phone 30 minutes before bed and take a few deep breaths before you close your eyes. It's the simplest and cheapest way to stay young longer. Gut health. The root of strength. You might be surprised to learn that about 80% of your immune system lives in your gut. A healthy gut helps you absorb protein, collagen, and vitamins, the building blocks of strength and youth. But if your gut is inflamed, bloated, or sluggish, then no matter how nutritious your diet is, your body remains starved at the cellular level. The solution is simple. Feed your gut bacteria well. Eat more vegetables, fruits, unsweetened yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, drink enough water, and avoid processed foods. Within just a few weeks, You'll feel lighter, sleep better, and have more mental clarity. That's your gut healing, and your body reabsorbing your youth. Meditation, a workout for the body and mind. Here's a secret most eternally youthful people share. They meditate daily. Not long, not complicated. Just 5 to 10 minutes of quiet breathing and awareness. When you do, your heart rate slows, your brain relaxes, cortisol drops, and your body naturally begins to restore itself. Science shows that regular meditation increases melatonin for deep sleep, serotonin for happiness, and testosterone for muscle maintenance. In other words, meditation isn't just for the soul. It's a gym for your hormones. Positive connection, the energy of youth. Have you ever noticed some people who, even in their 60s or 70s, are cheerful, active, glowing, and strong? Their secret isn't supplements. It's connection and joy. Laughter, conversations, and sharing moments with loved ones trigger oxytocin, the bonding hormone that reduces stress, boosts immunity, and improves muscle function. So if you're feeling lonely or drained, reach out, talk, join a group, or simply spend time with someone you care about. Sometimes a genuine smile is more nourishing than the most expensive pill. The final truth, it all starts from within. As you can see, maintaining muscle, healthy skin, and a strong spirit are all deeply connected. Collagen, creatine, sleep, nutrition, mindset. They might seem separate, but they form one complete system. When one part weakens, the others soon follow. And here's what surprises most people. Your body remembers. If you rest it, nourish it, and treat it with kindness, it will reward you with strength, flexibility, and ageless vitality. So don't chase miracle products or eternal youth promises. The real secret lies in the little things you do every single day. A balanced meal, a full night's sleep, a short workout, a few minutes of meditation, and a genuine smile. Start today, and 5 years from now, when you look in the mirror, you'll see someone stronger, more confident, and yes, younger than you were yesterday. Looking back at everything we've talked about today, one thing becomes crystal clear. Age isn't the enemy. It's a reminder to take better care of yourself, your muscles, skin, mind, and overall health. All of them can be maintained, even improved, if you know how to nourish your body from the inside out. Remember the two golden friends we discussed, creatine and collagen. When combined with light movement, a protein-rich diet, and quality sleep, they become the key to greater strength, firmer muscles, and more youthful skin. But above all, don't forget your mind and daily habits. Managing stress, staying positive, supporting your gut health, and maintaining social connections. These are the foundations that make all your nutritional efforts truly work. So here's the question for you. Where will you start today? Will it be with adding collagen and creatine? Or with getting a full night's sleep and 10 minutes of meditation? Or maybe something as simple as standing up and taking a walk around the house to break the habit of being inactive? Let me know your answer in the comments below. Your sharing not only helps you stay motivated, but also helps me create more content that truly fits your needs. And if you want the complete guide and meal plan for stronger muscles and healthier skin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. In the next video, I'll reveal one common mistake that 90% of people over 40 make. A mistake that accelerates muscle loss and skin aging. You definitely don't want to miss it. Take action today, because your body won't wait. A single small decision today can bring you the strength, youthfulness, and energy you thought only existed in dreams.